Hey guys, here's my homemade budget built turbo manifold setup for the Dodge Dakota 5.9. It'll also work in a 5.2. I made this kit using $70 eBay shorty headers. Actually, those same headers right there, that's the extra set that I had. Still has the flanges on there. All I did was chopped off these factory flanges and welded on this V-band. This crossover pipe section is fabricated out of 2.5-inch mandrel bends that I also bought off of eBay. It came as 8 pieces for $55. That little flex pipe was $20. I'm not sure if it was necessary, but for $20 I figured it'd be worth the extra safety precaution to go ahead and just put that in so we don't have any cracks. That's a $12 eBay T4 turbo flange. It's also just tacked on there. Most of this is just tacked on for right now. You can see all the tacks everywhere. That's a big Gorilla weld. I ended up using flux cord 309L wire and the little 110 flux core welder. Here's the leftover pipes. You can see there's still 4. I only used 1U, 190, and the 245s. Here's all the scrap from all the test cuts that I did. I kept on doing everything a little bit bigger because I didn't want to mess any pipes up and make them unusable. So it's better to cut them multiple times. Alright, now one thing I know is if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how is this going to fit on there with the factory power steering pump? Well, it doesn't. We're going to be using this $30 power steering pump bracket from a Jeep Grand Cherokee from I believe the 96 and 98 5.2 and 5.9 models. And what this is going to allow us to do is use a smaller pump from the 4.7 vehicles. The 5.7 Hemis have them. And of course the 5.2, 5.9 Jeeps have this pump. I got this from the junkyard for 25 bucks. It ended up coming off of a Ram Hemi. If you don't get yours from the Jeep, you're gonna end up having to buy a new pulley because this pulley is about a 1/4 inch too far in. But now you see you have the clearance. It looks a lot closer than it really is. You could also change this reservoir. That's just the factory Ram reservoir. In all, I have about 167, 168 bucks in the turbo manifold side. I figure probably another 100 bucks for the pump setup after I buy the Jeep pulley and the serpentine belt. So for under 300 bucks, I don't think that's bad at all. Of course, it took a few hours of labor, but you can't count that. If you like the video, go ahead and click the like button. If you want to follow along, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And thank you for watching.